Hi, welcome again to yet another presentation from Electronics India. In this video we'll see the demo of this smart home automation and security system. So basically to use this is very easy. You just insert your SIM card here and you connect the power supply here, and these are the relays from which you can control your home appliances, whether your irrigation motors or your door locks or anything. So this can control any device up to 10 amps, 220 volt, and here you can see a 315 megahertz receiver. So basically this is a security system, so it can work with this kind of security system. So I'll give you a quick demo. So you connect the power supply and the relays will automatically remember its previous position, and to register a new sensor you just on and it will automatically get registered, and you make it again off. So it can register up to 10 different kind of sensors, and it will automatically remove the last registered sensor if there are more than 10 sensors. So at any given point of time you can have 10 sensors working. First I'll show you the home automation demo, how to control the devices. So we just dial the number, and if it's registered number it will automatically pick up the call, and any other number which is not registered it will ignore the call and it will hang up. So I'll just give you a quick demo. So when we press, then we press hash, so you can see the relay 1 is on, and if I press 1 and star or asterisk, relay 1 is off. Similarly for 2 I can turn off the 3 which is already on. Similarly I can turn off the 4 which is already on. Similarly 2, I can turn on the 3 by pressing 3 hash. Similarly I can turn on the 4 by pressing 4 hash. And there is another cool feature, like you have this 7 and 9. So if you press 7 it can control this relay 1 and it will make it on for around 2.5 seconds. Similarly with key button 9 it can turn on this relay 2 on for 2.5 seconds. So these two relays can be used for turning the water pump starter kit on and off, or like to use the electronic locks or something. So I'll just give you a quick demo. I disconnect this call now. So even after power failure, when the power will come back, it will remember its previous relay status. So it will automatically turn off the 2 and it will automatically turn off the 1, 3 and 4. Now I'll give you the demo of the security system. So this is a dual SIM phone. So I have configured here 2 numbers, and you can configure up to 5 numbers for security alert, and I will manually trigger a security alert. And you should soon receive a security SMS alert on the first number configured, and calls on all the 5 numbers. So as you can see, a security SMS alert has been received, and it will start calling one by one all the 5 registered numbers after an interval of 1 minute. So I'm just disconnecting it for the time being, and it will call again on the second SIM after 1 minute. So I am again disconnecting this call also. This call was terminated on the second SIM. I'll just give you a quick demo of this power failure feature where the relay will remember its position. So I'll just turn off the power. Now I'll just turn again the power on. As you can see, the relay has remembered its previous status. And again, regarding the other component, this is a separate power supply, so this will protect the EPROM and all those things in case of any power spike. So each system uses its separate power supply. So for SIM 900 there is a separate power supply going, and for this microcontroller and relay board we have a separate power interface. This is like protected systems in terms of power design. And the relay board basically goes like this, and it fit like this, and it get locked like this. So this was the brief introduction into our home security and home automation system. For details, please go through the manual. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.